Total idiots at work. Not on camera.
A truck driver in Brooklyn was playing bowling with other people's cars.
Oh my God!
Oh man.
No!
Bro! What? No way. That person's smart right there. They get on the sidewalk. That's me in the morning after I drink a gallon of water at the night. Come on, you got it. Wrangle that sucker. See if I was a man. Whoa.
A pro tip for newbies. Saws work much faster with a battery.
Pila. No seas inútil, vale.
No way. Oh man, that is...
Ándale. Ahora sí.
¿Ahora sí?
Ahora sí, dale. Esa de ahí, esa.
¿Cuál?
Te la agarro.
Bro, wait.
Ay, joder.
No way. No way did he start. Did he literally just put the battery in and then continue sawing like he was sawing before? Oh my god. Wait, what was that?
Ay, joder.
What? What? Nah, they're just wasting time. They're just wasting time. They got nothing better to do, so that's their way of putting in hours. Very smart. Nope. Oh no. Oh no. No. What? Well, wait, hold on. So he could be doing that because, like, if he wants to like get it exactly right and like on the mark, then you might want to like, and it's a tough, rigid wall like that. You can some people will bang on it on the drill a little bit to kind of get it in the groove a little bit, or like get it in like where it should be, and then they'll drill it. Yes, no, it is like for real, like because sometimes using a drill, like sometimes if it's a rigid surface, like if it's sloped, then trying to get it right where you marked it can be a little hard. It can go down. So called using the wrong tool. It's you don't get it. Not the ideal way, but it is a way. I'm just saying that like he's not technically doing it wrong. Yeah, I know, and I've built many things with my dad. You know, I've done stuff like that, so I also know what I'm talking about. It is not wrong. It's just not the ideal way to do things. It is a way to do it. I have literally done something like that before. I have literally, well, sometimes just easier to you don't have it. See, again, like this is I trust me, just trust me on this. Come on. I've built a shed with my dad. I've built many things with my dad. Oh, it's just never mind. Never mind. I can build with one silent expert. What? They gotta be trolling on that.
This forklift driver is having one of those days.
Oh no. Bro, why? Man, why do people do that? Only one pallet at a time. One pallet at a time.
This
Yeah,
is
you're
what
paying for
happens
that,
when
buddy.
a plumber's worst nightmare comes to life.
Сейчас, погоди. И теперь... Та-да-да!
Yeah. Oh my. Whoa. Wait, was that? Yeah.
Come with me, and you'll be in a world of OSHA violation.
This guy loves his job so much, it's making him shake.
I always wonder what it'd be like to use a jackhammer. I always kind of wanted to use one before. Probably give you a concussion just from using it. Oh my god. Nice, very, very nice. Oh god. That is crazy.
The
Is that
delivery guy
concrete?
forgot to hit the brakes and almost drove into trouble.
Look, it's still in drive. Oh shit.
That's understandable. That's happened before. What? Wait. Yup, it was. Things like that, the company has to pay for it, right? Like they can't just say, "Oops, my bad." They're paying for that. Or they? Well, no, of course they are. Of course they are. No way they wouldn't. They'd have to.
Que good.
Oh, they will say oops? No way. No way. I wouldn't let that slide. I would sue their asses. I don't care if it's a mirror or a TV. You're gonna be paying for it. Oh my god.
Yeah, this is
Should have
awesome.
been taken off the wall before we started. You should have fucking checked before you started. Oh man. Nah. Nah, they would be bodies on the ground if they said that. Be bodies on the ground.
This is so cool. This is gonna be so much fun.
No.
The
That's
hole in the
wild.
tile is perfectly sized, but there's a catch.
Yeah, for real. That's using what you got. That's like that's definitely what college guys do. They don't have money for a drill, so they gotta use what they get. Bro. He's like, nah, like, nah, I'm not opening it for anybody else. Fuck all y'all. Oh man. Why does he put that back on like it's normal? Why did he do it like it's normal? Like it's, oh my god.
For the new guy,
That's crazy.
no, too much money. It's no good. It's no good operator.
What?
He's not doing nothing.
What?
These two experts
my
are showing
God,
how good
bro.
they are with the funnel.
Oh my god. What? Why? Why? What is wrong with you? Yeah, big man. Oh no. No, Pedro, no.
That's it. Tutamadım mı?
What? Why? Why? What was the point of that? Mortal Kel, hello, how are you? You were bored. I guess that's one way to satisfy boredom. Oh my god. There's $1 million down the drain. Very nice. Is that concrete? That's concrete, right? Good. Hope your evening's going well too. Thank you. It is going pretty good. But what is going on here? The amount of brain cells that. Hold on. What? Why?
If there's only one sandwich
I don't
and
even
two
know.
hungry people, a saw can be the perfect solution.
Yeah. I'm not comprehending whatsoever. Nobody is. Nobody understands what these people are doing. Total idiots at work caught on camera. We are too intelligent to understand how these idiots think. It's just an accident. Bro. Wait. Are those are bottles? Yeah, those are bottles. Oh my word. Must be fun being a construction worker.
The car on the tow truck decided
And
it
the
wanted
bitch
to
just
go
laughs and
back to
walks
its
away.
owner.
Yeah. Bro. Oh my word. Some of these kids are high school dropouts, obviously. Now, granted, when I was a kid, when my dad first started to make me help him with like building stuff, like construction stuff, I didn't really know what I was doing. I mean, it's stupid stuff like that. So it's a learning experience. It's not like we all know exactly how to build stuff right off the bat. Yeah. How you dress. I'd love to see a bunch of construction workers dressed like that. Wait, hold on. What was that? He stuck it on there. Oh my god. I was waiting for him to fall, yeah. Let me move the bucket, bro. What? Why? Oh my gosh. Oh man. Yeah, how to not move glass, yeah. Yeah.
Just imagine
Probably
how
not the
much
best way to
total
do that.
estimate will be taken up by the mortar.
Like, yep, this is good. It's crazy. It's basically, I don't know. Oh no. Wait.
Deep
Where-
down, this angle.
Oh my gosh, how much water and where is that coming from?
Deep down, this
They hit like a
angle
water
point
line?
desires to be a smoke machine.
Yeah. I don't know, man. What is that? That stain? Oh my god. Wait, hold up. How does that happen? Is it just so heavy that the truck is being pulled upwards? I think that's like it said it. Yeah. I think it was so heavy that the truck was literally pulling itself up. That's crazy. And not a weight limit on that? Oh my god. Leakage. Bro, that is...
He's about to figure out what's wrong.
Imagine if that, like, if that hit him in the face or anywhere, that would... He'd be missing either his head or his hand, or he'd be missing a limb if that chain hit him anywhere.
In 3, 2, 1.
Like you're cutting the ladder up. Yeah. Like Legos, yeah. Wait, what is that? What kind of drill is that? That's crazy. Well, I know it's a drill. I'm just wondering what kind it is. I guess just a regular drill. I don't know. Shit one, yeah, definitely.
Here's a question. Is this fan supposed to be turned off anytime soon?
I don't know. Cobalt, maybe? It was faded blue. I thought Cobalt was yellow.
This is why it's important to carefully set the cutting depth.
Oh no. Oh no, yeah. Cut all the wires. Yep. Is that the brand on the drill? Oh, that's DeWalt. Oh, okay. Work smarter, not harder. Yup. How do I know the brands and you don't? I don't pay attention to drill brands. My dad just hands me a drill and I drill. That's how it goes. I worked on construction. Well, I didn't like, I built stuff because my dad told me to build stuff. I didn't like it. I didn't enjoy it, but I did it. You're supposed to be a manly. I am a manly man. I just don't care about the brands. I don't care about the brands, you know? Who the fuck gives a fuck about DeWalt or Cobalt? Nobody does. If you care about that shit, then I don't know. You got nothing good going on in your life. If those brands really matter that much to you, you're either an actual construction worker or you literally have nothing better going on in your life. Like, I am a manly man. I am a manly man. You cannot say I'm not a manly man, because I am. I'm very manly.
What happened? Waiting for a mate? What happened, Mr. Drifter? What happened, Mr. Drifter?
Used to work at a farm and range store. That's the only reason I know. I also have a pretty shit memory, alright? That's also kind of my issue with not remembering freaking brands of drills. Even though that's barely important. Yeah, if you bought a good drill or not. Well, I didn't buy a drill. You know what? I'll go get the drill I have right now. See what it is.
12 seconds later.
I've had that drill ever since I moved into this house, and I now know what the brand is. I didn't know it's North Tech. And I didn't know that before because I don't give a fuck about the brand. All I care about is that it's a drill. It's a drill, so I drill with it. I don't care what brand it is. Oh no, he's going to break his drill. It's a black drill. It's not pink. Oh man. I don't know if North Tech is good. Because I am a man. I'm super manly. You believe I'm manly, right? Right, Immortal? You believe I'm manly. Yes. It's not a pink drill, it's a black drill. Mulch. It's a big drill. Yes, see, Immortal agrees. Immortal's opinion is the only one that matters now, so all your opinions are invalid except for Immortal's. Well, that's what you get for not calling me a manly man, so. Don't be shipped it. Don't you dare! Oh my god, don't you dare. No. Oh man, that guy's pissing me off. Face, whatever. I don't care. I'm not a fan of his. Even if we share the same
for
name.
The owner of this amazing bathroom, the door also opens inward.
That reminds me of my bathroom a little bit. The toilet is right by the door, but like my bathroom, so like if you're sitting on the toilet, it's kind of smart when I think about it. Even if the door is unlocked and you're on the toilets, people can't get in because you're on the toilet and your legs will be blocking for them to get in. That's kind of like a double lock in a way. So that honestly, that's kind of ingenious for my bathroom. Not that one. That's a terrible bathroom. But he stole your identity. The real CyberFlux is a real man who cares about drills. He owns the identity better. Yes, thank you, Nova. Thank you. Sheep and Knight bully me all the time. At least I got Immortal and Nova. And Ruby. Ruby's somewhere lurking there. Oh my god.
Occasionally, trying to recover a truck can turn into a comedic disaster.
Oh no. They're gonna get all their trucks stopped or stuck. Or that's gonna happen. Okay. That's not very comedic. Wow, Cyber, at least my drill doesn't have stickers on it. My drill... doesn't have more than one sticker on it. It is a manly drill. North Tech drill. It's for men.
A mini Olympics is a fantastic way to boost everyone's spirits.
Removing stickers. What? No. No.
What? I'll give you 50 if you fail. I'll give you 50 if you fail, but you have to land.
Oh no. Oh no, no. Not on the car. Oh.
This guy found himself dealing with a particularly tricky nail.
Come on. There you go. Come on.
Gonna break the head off.
Just hold it up. Hold it up. All right, hold it. All right, now rip it back. Wow.
Again, don't 2 pallets stack. Oh my god.
The luxury window installation was over even before it started.
That's like, I got my forklift training or forklift license, whatever, when I worked at Lowe's. And that's like one of the first things they teach you on the training, in the training video. Like, don't stack pallets on. I don't even think that's, I think they teach you that just regularly. like if you're an employee at Lowe's, I think they teach you that anyway. Like, if you see a double stacked pallet, then tell somebody. Got a training video, they were just like, go figure it out. Well, I mean, first one of my superiors trained me, and then one of the bosses like saw me operating. They're like, you got a license for that? I'm like, no. I'm like, all right, well, fill out this paperwork and go watch this video and then proceed. So I kind of was taught by my superiors first, and then I watched a brief training video, which my superiors also told me. I don't even think they told me, though, because I think it was just common sense. But anyway, yeah, so don't double stack pallets. That's very dumb. Very dumb. Or you need a license for that for forklifts. You need like certification, like forklift certified. You know, you don't need like a license. I guess license isn't accurate term, but you need to be certified for it.
started.
Keys putting my hand in an open parking lot. Where did you work at? It was like a mom and pop store then. That's believable, but it's like a corporation. Kind of not how it's supposed to be, but anyway. An Oklahoma franchise of farm and ranch stores. That makes sense. Whoa, what? What was that?
This guy's about to find
that
out
unwinding?
pallets go on narrow beams, not shelves.
My God.
The final moments of this luxury slab are a real nightmare for masons. Looks like these professionals will be splitting the losses 3 ways too.
That granted again? Yeah. I have to go. Vet's office called and I'm needed there. Alrighty. Thank you for stopping by. Ooh. Oof.
A playful deer makes for a great excuse to film a funny video.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Get down.
Thought he's gonna start doing something else on him. just turn around.
The weather had its own plans, and the hard work of this construction crew wasn't part of them.
Oh. Ooh. A nice looking car too. Well, it was. For real. Oh man. How do you even deal with that? Oh god. Oh. That wasn't as loud as I thought it'd be. Car. Wait. Hey, you. Yeah, you. Why don't you sub to my channel already? If you made it this far into the video, you want to sub, right? Yeah. Yeah, of course you want to sub. Also, you want to follow me on Twitch, right? Yeah, click the link in the description. You can follow me on Twitch there. Come on, I know you want to. Come on, yeah, you do, yeah. There you go, yeah. Click, yeah, yes. Oh, yeah. Thank you.